Now the guys, welcome back to Dive Coasters. My name is Sam, and you join me here for the press event here at the Pleasure Beach. I can't believe it, Chris. I cannot believe it. Honestly, thank you so much, Pleasure Beach, for inviting me down here. I am so goddamn grateful. I can't even explain it in words. But we are in the press event, so we're going to go over to Aviktas. We've got a talk, and we can take you on for on-ride POVs as well. So what a fantastic way to end this chapter here. So yeah, you excited, Chris?
Oh, very much so.
It's going to be a good day, isn't it? Yeah.
Absolutely.
I said everyone's here as well. So yeah, all the content creators, and I think the park is going to be very busy as well. Also on Saturday, so that'll be the 23rd, which will be, I think, the day after you watch this video. It's going to be a late night ride on the park as well. So if you do want to come down and say hello, you know where to find me. I'm going to be down there. But that being said, let's head in there now, get registered, and take you guys along with us. Alright then guys, so we've just checked in now, so we've got our new lanyard, so we've got two of these now, and we're making our way over to Aviktas. Now everyone's here, it's absolutely rammed. Yeah, I'm so excited to be here. So yeah, we'll show you everything we can possibly show you, and then take you on for an on-ride POV. And then here we go, making our way through the gate over towards Aviktas. Yeah, cannot wait for this. It's looking a bit, as you can see, it's a bit busy. Right, here we go, and you can see all the boards are now down. You can clearly see the Aviktas gate. Now it is closed at the minute, however, that's going to be open shortly when we get the speech. Yeah, this will be the first footage that you can see here with all the boards down here from the ramp. So this is what it's going to look like from this point forwards. Absolutely fantastic. So look at the facade. You got the fountain on there now as well. Wow. And here's the ride. Here she is, Aviktas. Absolutely bloody fantastic. 16 months it's been now, almost. And here we are. From the Bowlerdrome to an intimate gyro swing. There we are, she's testing. Aviktas is now officially open. And there's the doors. Woo! Bloody fantastic. There we are guys, 16 months, she's open. Woo! There we are. Right, let's head down the ramp then, through the doorway, and let's jump on. There we are then, through the doorway. I say it's changed a little bit since the preview event, so you got these extra bits on there now. Obviously you couldn't see it before. You got the fountain on now. I say it looks absolutely bloody fantastic. Yeah, really nicely landscape, nicely stylized around here. Oh wow, so excited. Right. I say it's nice that we can actually show you guys this now, because obviously before we couldn't show you. But yeah, this event has been handled a lot better than the last one, shall we say. So yeah, really good. Big one going round. Right, let's head through. Yeah, this is what I was trying to explain in the last video. So you got these like kind of snake things between the panels. It's just really nicely landscaped. It looks really good. So hey, everyone's here. Hi! You're all eyes. Woo! Amazing. So you probably recognise half of the people here. It's so good. This is one of the best things about opening day as well. You just get to see everyone, get to experience it. But yeah, this is the experience walking through the queue line. So the Aviktas sign up the top there, just under the Big Dipper. All the LEDs on the building as well. There we go. Right, so yeah, so as you come in there, you've got your battery to two sides, just help with the kind of, the battery when you get on the ride. But yeah, here we are. There she is. Right, let's take you on. Right, taking her right here. There she is. Beautiful. Obviously, first ride, of course, is going to be a bloody wet ride. Why not? Right, we'll jump on now. Right, here we go then. We've got Joseph next to me. Just stand over there. Yeah, right, we'll do these. These seatbelts are really tight on here, so I will say that. So if you're a bit of a larger person, don't feel bad. It's just the restraints are a little bit stiff. Yeah, there we go. So you got the restraints there, you got the seatbelts on. Oh yeah, we got Joey. Kind of done. Now the good thing about these is these restraints here, like, you got loads of room. So what I suggest is put your arms inside it and just kind of lean out like this, and you get so much freedom. It's fantastic. But yeah, right, let's go on. Here we go then. The floor's going down. Let's check it out. Woo, woo, woo. I'll get my hands out of the way so you guys can actually get a POV. Let's do it. And typically in Blackpool fashion, it's bloody chucking it down.
But it's sunny as well. What the hell?
Yeah, so if you want to see the sunny POVs, maybe check other people's vlogs out, because this one's going to be a bit rainy. But we'll get you a few POVs today.
Getting a genuine POV, because it's always raining in Blackpool.
This is the authentic Blackpool experience. Here we go, and the sun, the tide's in as well. Oh, it's phenomenal, guys. Woo, woo, woo! Oh, woo! What's wrong with it? Woo! It's so good. Oh. What's wrong with it? You're in the POV. Woo! Damn! Oh yeah! Definitely a longer cycle, that's for sure. It's definitely a lot higher than you think. And there we are, slowing down. Amazing.
Brilliant. Oh, incredible.
I hope Daniel's arm didn't ruin the POV too much. Ah, so good. Guys, if you've not done it, get your son down here, come ride it. Best ride in the UK, hands down.
Please release your seatbelt.
What do you say to that, honestly? Absolutely bloody fantastic. I said it in the preview, and it was...
And to be honest,
I can't really say much
it
more.
looks-
It is the best ride in the UK. It's not even close. It's phenomenal. Even there in a wet, cold, miserable Blackpool day, it doesn't detract from it. It's just phenomenal. And obviously riding with all these guys as well is fantastic. Yeah, I'm going to go back round now and go at it again. Right, there we are. So we're just going to show you a bit around the entrance here then. So yeah, here's the fountain. Mine marker. Yeah, here we go. So this wasn't actually in last time. That's probably why we wanted out to film in here. But yeah, very, very boulevard inspired. Yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic. You've got all the greenery, all the planting around here, and then obviously all this in here as well. I say obviously it's not themed, it's stylized, but it is a fantastic job they've done here. Well, guys, gonna get some kind of a rider cam here for you. Why not, eh? Because you don't get many chances to do this. So let's see how it is. Obviously the music's phenomenal. How many opportunities do you get to do an hour's ERT on a brand new ride and film it? Make the most of it, basically. Woo! It's just incredible, listen to that. Look at these views. Oh. Absolutely, and honest, this is the best ride in the UK, hands down. And I think everyone around here is saying the same thing now as well. Woo! Oh. Just feel that wind! Oh, wow! What a ride! Oh, wow. Oh, God, I don't know what to say. Oh, just an airtight machine. Aviktas. Well, there are the guys, that brings us to the end of the ELT here on the new ride Aviktas. It's the best ride in the UK, hands down. It's absolutely incredible. Right, these guys have got 1 hour now to kind of cancel everything and tidy up, and then we're going to be back on this shortly. There we go, the door's now closed, so I'll see you guys in 1 hour.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Aviktas officially open! Let's go! Okay, here we go then. Back for the public opening, and I'm ready with everyone. How we doing, guys? A lot of first-time riders here, and poor Emma, she's not feeling that yet. But it's gonna be fine. We're gonna get her opinions afterwards. Hey, how we doing, guys? Woo! It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Yeah, we'll take these guys on, and we'll get everyone's opinion after we come off. Right guys, so just about half an hour later now, so we had a little chat, we're just wrapping up our conclusions, because I know obviously when you just get off the ride, you can kind of be, well, I can certainly be very energetic, and your opinions can change slightly. So, for me, as you guys know, I think it's the best one in the UK. I don't think it's close, to be fair. At the time of film, I did actually do Hyperia 4 times yesterday, and it was fantastic, it was very good. I'm not taking anything from Hyperia, I just prefer that. That's my opinion. However, what about Emma, how are we doing?
I think it's actually quite good.
Go on, Mr. Glenn, what are we feeling?
Yeah, brilliant. Fantastic flat ride.
Sean, get over here, sunshine. Aviktas, final opinions, what do you reckon?
It's amazing.
Claire, what do you reckon?
Aviktas, yeah, brilliant.
Dan, seeing as you're so interested in this conversation, mate.
Aviktas is great, mind-blowing.
Josephine?
Well, you know my thoughts. I think it's the best flat ride in the UK. #1 flat ride here, hands down.
Yeah, really, really enjoyed it. Thank
Amazing.
you for dragging me on.
It's so relaxing as well.
Yeah, I'm with you on this one. I think it's the best flat ride in the UK.
There's nothing like it in this country, and we're so lucky to have it.
It's the best ride here.
Best ride in the UK?
Flat ride in the UK.
He was absolutely bricking it, and he was like, oh, he was shaking, he was terrified, and he's just come off it and went, oh, that was mint, I'm going back on.
Once I got over the... Oh,
You were very nervous, weren't you?
I was so very scared. I will do it again, but not right now.
What's your favourite ride in the UK?
Aviktas.
Aviktas, good man.
I think I still prefer the big one out of sentiment and nostalgia.
Okay.
But I do think Aviktas is one of the best rides in the UK.
Well, I could go on all day and keep asking everyone, however, I think the opinion's pretty clear there. It's phenomenal, we all love it. Yeah, that's the general consensus, guys. It's absolutely bloody fantastic flat ride. Come here, give it a chance, even if you're scared of heights, spinning around, all the rest of it, just give it a go, because I've not heard one person yet come off that and say they dislike it, so give it a chance. However, that's it from the Aviktas video and the Aviktas series. In fact, that's the whole thing complete. So thank you guys so much for following me along the process. I really appreciate each and every one of you. However, from me here, that's the end of the video. However, if you do want to see what we just got up to at Poulton's, then check out the video over there, and we'll see you there.